If you're a business owner and you're running ads, then you're basically spending money on ads. You're basically pouring money as much as you can on ads, but your real problem is not on the ads or generating leads, but it's mainly on the follow-up. So in this video I'll be showing you how you can convert most of your leads using AI without spending more money on ads. Now if you stick till the end of this video, then you will also receive a free gift which will definitely be a lot of value to you and your business if you're an action taker. Now without further ado, let's just hop right into the video. All right, now why your funnel isn't converting like it should. Leads are coming in and you're simply unable to follow up with them because you're generating maybe enough leads that you cannot even follow up with. And manual follow-up can be very inconsistent and very human error prone, and also warm leads cool off before anyone talks to them. So let's say I submitted a form and then no one reaches out to me in the next couple of hours, or let's say even in the first 1 hour, then I'll basically just lose interest in your service or your product. And what I'll do is I'll just switch out to your competitor, or I'll just start looking for another service, right? So in this competitive market, you have to make sure that you are getting in touch with your leads as soon as they get in touch with your business. All right, so business owner usually think that they need better ads, run higher quality ads, or improve the type of ads they're currently running, or even like put more money into their ads. But that is always not the solution. There is a more effective solution as we are in the age of AI. And what is the real cost of a slow follow-up? 78% of the customers buy from the first company that contacts them. Calling the leads within the first minute they get in touch with your business increases the chances of converting them by 391%. I did not make this number up. You can actually Google it up by yourself and see the results. There's a lot of studies covering that up. All right. Now leads go cold after 5 minutes. If your sales rep are not following up to the lead even after 5 minutes, or let's say even after 2-3 minutes, then the chances of the lead getting cold is very, very high. And 50% of the leads never even get a follow-up call at all. So 50%, that's a big number. I mean, so you could be basically converting a lot of those leads into paying customers if those extra 50% of the leads were also contacted as well. Now the average response time for a business to get in touch with a lead is basically 47 hours, which is very, very high, right? So let me just show you what I'm talking about. So let's say you're running ads and I'm the lead, or I'm your ICP, and I just click on this because I want to know more about your service. So when I click on this button, it will basically push me to a form like this one, and where I'll be just filling up my details, right? I'll just fill up the message over here and ask what I'm looking for, and then maybe this information will get sent out to your CRM, where your sales team will basically follow up with me. Now this is where the main bottleneck is. If they take time to actually follow up with me, then I might simply lose interest as a lead. All right, I might just maybe switch to another competitor or something. So the stakes of slow follow-up is really high over here. So this is what the funnel basically looks like without AI, and this is what every single business were using before AI was invented. So basically a lead clicks on the ad, then they fill up a form, and then the CRM gets updated, and then your sales rep maybe reaches out to them in 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 day, whatever that is, and then the lead forgets by that time, or they simply go cold, and then this is basically a lost opportunity, and you're simply losing out a lot of money on this, because this is a lead that could be converted into a paying customer if they were contacted in the very first minute. So this is where AI basically solves a problem, or basically fixes the entire funnel very, very effectively, and people are getting a lot of results by this system as well. So this is the new funnel. So when someone clicks on the ad and then the form gets filled out, the CRM gets updated, right? So this is where the magic happens. An AI agent will call the lead immediately after the lead submits a form, in the first 60 seconds, in the first minute. So in that case, like we said, if the lead is contacted in the first minute, the chances of converting that lead is significantly higher. So in that case, if the lead is qualified, then the AI will basically try to book an appointment by sending the link to the calendar through SMS from the phone call, and then the CR will get updated. All right, so this is what the funnel basically looks like in a very basic overview. All right, we can actually dive very in depth into this, but for the sake of this video, I'll be trying to keep this as short and simple for you guys, so that you can process everything very easily. All right, now this is where the AI powered instant follow-up actually works. So the AI agent calls the lead within the first 60 seconds, and then it qualifies the lead based on the questions. It will ask questions about their budget, ask all the qualifying questions that your sales team usually asks, and then see if they're a good fit or not in a very human like manner. All right, the lead will never be able to understand if this is an AI or not. Right, you can actually test it out by yourself, and after that the AI will also be able to book meetings by syncing it directly with your own calendar, and it also runs 24/7, never forgets, never delays, which means that if a lead submits a form and in the middle of the night, let's say at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m. in the morning, then in that case the AI will basically call the lead during that time period as well. But let's say if that is an odd time to actually get in touch with the lead, then the AI will basically flag the lead, and then it will basically contact the lead even in the morning as well. And if the lead even doesn't pick up the call, then it will also try to follow up with the lead multiple times before it flag it as, let's say, not interested at all, something like that. Hope you get the idea. And it will also protect your ad budget as well by converting leads immediately. So why does this actually matter for your business? This basically means higher ROI from the same ad spend. If you're spending $100 per day on ads, then you'll still be spending $100 per day on ads, but you'll be converting even more leads. Hence, you'll be driving even more revenue with the same ad spend. All right, and fewer wasted leads. This basically means that if you have this system implemented in your business, then not a single lead will ever go cold ever again. Every single lead will be contacted once they're generated throughout the ads. And then you will also no need to hire any more sales rep at all. You can actually fire your existing sales rep if you want, but the best case would be to actually transfer the tasks to the for the sales rep so that they can actually focus on the tasks which will drive more leverage for your business. That would be the best ideal case scenario in my opinion. And then it will also run every day, every hour, even while you sleep, and it makes your funnel truly automated. You do not have to lift a single finger during this entire process, or none of your team members have to do anything during this entire process. The AI will take care of it A to Z. Now, what do you actually get from the system? You will basically get more booked meetings because most of the leads are being converted now, and better lead to sale conversion, more revenue without spending more on ads. This is absolutely huge for any business of any size. And time saved for your team, this is also huge as well. This basically means that your team members can actually focus on tasks which are more important for your business, which could be marketing, or let's say improving sales tactics. Or you might have a couple of questions such as, what if the lead doesn't answer? Like I said, the AI will retry by itself, and then it will also be able to follow up by you via WhatsApp or SMS. And will it sound robotic? Absolutely not. This is basically modern AI, and their voices sound very, very natural and human-like, and it is very, very hard to distinguish if it's an AI or not. And can it really qualify leads? Yes, based on your business rules and questions. If you guys have a script that your sales team usually follow to maybe speak within a lead, then we can also use that specific script to actually train the AI so that it can actually speak based on your exact brand voice. Now, if you're actually pumped by this entire process or this entire system and how this AI can actually help you drive more leads, convert more leads, and get more revenue into your business, and then you can actually book a free consultation call with me in the description down below. This is for action takers only. So if you're genuinely interested in the system and you want to see how this would actually look like in your business, then you can actually book the call with us. We will go through your entire business processes. We will audit your business and see if the solution will actually work for you in the best way possible or not. Right? Will it be able to actually drive the results or not? So that's our main goal over here. And you have absolutely nothing to lose during this call. Meaning, let's say if things don't work out between us, or let's say if our interests do not align, then the best case or the worst case that could happen is that you will be walking away from this call with more knowledge about AI and how you can use AI to drive more revenue into your business. All right, you can use this knowledge to actually grow your business. So there's nothing to lose in this call basically. Now, if you also have specific questions before booking, you want to know more about the product or something, then you can also shoot me an email at this, and I personally read all the emails by myself, and I'll try my best to respond to all of them as possible, but I'd recommend booking a call with me. All right, and if you click on the link in the description, then you will be forwarded to a page like this where you will be able to book a call by answering some of the qualifying questions, because we simply do not work with everyone. We have to know that you are the right fit for us and we are the right fit for you. So yeah, based on that, we will work with you. And this is it for today's video, and I really hope you guys found this video valuable. If so, then feel free to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because I post a lot of content related to AI and how business owners can use AI to grow their business. So yeah, feel free to hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.